Hi there and welcome to Block C Penguin. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the history of the Falkland Islands. The Falkland Islands, also known as the Islas Malvinas in Spanish, are a group of islands located in the South Atlantic Ocean. The islands have a long and complex history, with a variety of different groups and nations laying claim to them over the years. The earliest known inhabitants of the Falkland Islands were the Yagan people, who were hunter-gatherers that lived on the islands for thousands of years. The islands were discovered by Europeans in the 16th century, with the first recorded sighting being made by the Dutch navigator Sebald de Weert in 1600. In the early 18th century, the British established a settlement on the islands, which they named Port Egmont. However, the settlement was abandoned in 1774 due to financial difficulties. Around this time, the French also claimed the islands, naming them Isles Malouines after the port of Saint Malo in Brittany. In 1764, the Spanish established a settlement on the islands, which they named Puerto Soledad. This sparked a dispute between the British and the Spanish, who both claimed sovereignty over the islands. The dispute was eventually resolved in 1771, with the signing of the Treaty of Madrid, which granted the islands to Spain. In 1833, a group of American seal hunters established a settlement on the islands, which they named Port Louis. This sparked another dispute between the British and the Spanish, who both claimed sovereignty over the islands. The dispute was eventually resolved in 1843, when the British and Spanish governments signed the Treaty of Friendship, Commerce, and Navigation, which established the current boundaries of the islands. In 1982, Argentina invaded the Falkland Islands, leading to a brief but intense conflict with the United Kingdom, which resulted in the British retaking control of the islands. Since then, the islands have remained under British control, though the question of their sovereignty has continued to be a source of tension between the UK and Argentina. Today, the Falkland Islands are an overseas territory of the United Kingdom, with a population of around 3,000 people. The islands are known for their rich biodiversity, with a wide variety of flora and fauna, including penguins, seals, and a variety of bird species. Despite their remote location, the islands have a modern infrastructure and are home to a thriving fishing industry.